Hello and welcome to today's video. As always, I am the Northman, and let's get into today's headline and today's video. It says Ripple's business plan may position XRP to match its all-time peak. Analyst Santiago Santos says Ripple's business strategy could help XRP reclaim its $3.84 all-time high. The main points are XRP trades around 180 to 188, far below its $384 all-time high. Ripple's centralized strategy gives it an advantage over peers. Ripple's USD stablecoin reaches 1 billion market cap by November this year, 2025. Ripple partners with MasterCard and BNY Mellon for Ripple USD rollouts. XRP is once again gaining investor attention after crypto analyst Santiago R. Santos shared an optimistic long-term outlook. In a recent discussion, he said Ripple's structured business model gives it a better chance than Ethereum to revisit its previous peak. XRP is currently trading between 180 and 188, as I said, with a fully diluted valuation of about $188 billion. Its record high of $384 was reached in January 2018, meaning a rise to over 100% could be needed to reclaim that level. Exchanges actually are not quite sure if the correct number actually was 3.84, but it's commonly thought that it was around 340 because of the Korean exchanges were showing different levels than the rest of the exchanges around the world. So there you have the number. So there's not common unity about that number. Santos argued that while market conditions could remain challenging through 2026, Ripple's approach allows it to stay resilient and continue executing even when others struggle, because they have a lot of money. Ripple's execution strength in a tough market. According to Santos, Ripple stands apart because it continues to deliver in adverse conditions. He said, "I think Ripple has a higher probability than pretty much any other crypto network in the top 20 to, if everything goes down, actually have a higher probability to reach that all-time high." You know, it's just about adoption and people participating in the markets and institution buying up XRP, as I will show you in the end of the video. He contrasted this with Ethereum, noting, "I'm very bearish on Ethereum reaching it all again, going back to its all-time high." He comments reflecting a broader view that centralized coordination may help a company survive downturns more effectively than decentralized systems alone. Centralized product strategy gives Ripple an edge. Santos emphasized that Ripple's success stems from a structured product strategy. Decentralized product strategies in BD does not work. Decentralized security but centralized product decision making is the way to win. Ethereum does not have that, he said. Bold statement. He also questioned Ethereum's valuation compared to Ripple's, arguing that the market cap of Ethereum does not align with its current real-world use cases. By contrast, Ripple's valuation leaves room for expansion, especially when compared with established financial firms such as Visa, which is valued at roughly $600 billion. XRP's utilities through acquisitions and Ripple's USD expansion. Ripple's ability to use XRP for acquisitions and product distribution is another reason behind the positive forecast. Santos noted that the company can deploy its currency strategically to grow and acquire new businesses. He said Ripple has more breathing room to use its currency to buy real businesses, to build distribution and the product, and has more time to figure this out. Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin has been centralized to has been central to this expansion. The token completed its operational rollout in 2025 and achieved a market capitalization exceeding 1 billion by November. BNY Mellon serves as the custodian for its reserves, and Ripple has secured listings for Ripple RLUSD on multiple major exchanges. Partnerships with fintech firms like Yellow Card, VALR, and Chipper Cash has expanded its reach across Africa, while pilots with MasterCard and WebBank aim to integrate RLUSD into traditional payment systems. That was the article, and as I promised, I will show you the adoption by these institutions. And you can see here how they're doing, and the volume is quite high, and 750 million XRP has been locked, which amounts to 0.75% of all XRP that will ever be in of XRP. And 10% million net inflow in week 1. And here you can see all the 4, now the 6 actually, all the 6 exchanges, not institutions, who have their ETF, and it shows who's leading and who's gaining. And that's about it. I hope that you liked the video, and I would look forward to see you in the next one. And of course, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.